Where your lordship, the petitioner has paid the entire dues, but the security documents in the nature of title deeds and LIC policies were not released. And lordship has passed the last order on 2nd July, where your lordship has directed the LICI to write to us what are the formalities for assignment. LIC has not done anything. The bank has also been directed to take place for assignment of the policy. That has also not been done. Your lordship's order has not been complied.
Once Mr. Banerjee completes, I am for the Standard Chartered Bank, my lord. I will make my submissions. If Mr. Banerjee is done, then I will.
You have to
The lordship needs to appear for the LIC in this.
1 minute.
Repeated orders have been passed by your lordship, but nothing has been.
Firstly, lordship, I will not get into the maintainability. The petition itself is not maintainable.
So
Mandamus is being sought for against a private
Very
party.
good.
And thereafter, lordship, I have spoken to my client.
The bank has
Mr.
filed
Banerjee, I am trying to find a solution to this matter. I am trying to find a solution to this matter. Let me place it.
Give you a solution.
My lord, kindly takes up my status report.
The bank was represented by somebody else, and I can remember.
Yes, she is appearing virtually, my lord.
Yes.
I'm here, my lords. I have asked Mr. Suryanil to appear on our behalf, my lords.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord,
And
the status report, we have I am carrying the original policy papers, lordship, that can be handed over. Lordship kindly takes up my status report at page 54.
what is this?
This is the status report which has been filed by my client, the Standard Chartered Bank. Page 54.
Has
my lord.
copy been given? Copy has been given
Yes,
or
yes,
not?
copy given.
Yes.
Page 54, lordship kindly looks at the appreciates the date of this letter. 15th
Yes.
March 2016. 15th March 2016, the petitioner was told that you come to the bank, kindly turns over the page, my lord, and collect your documents which you had given as security, which are the LIC documents, the 4 LIC documents. 2016, he was told. 2025, he obtains leave under Rule 26 and then moves this matter stating urgency. I am carrying the papers, my lord. As per the bank policy, lordship, the bank keeps the policy papers and all of these security documents for a period of 30 days, which is a free period. After that, every day that the loanee doesn't take the documents, there's a penalty charge of rupees 500. I've spoken to my client. I've asked my client to not levy those charges. I'm ready and willing to hand over those policy papers right now. Lordship, this matter
4.
4. I'm carrying it.
Who will impose the
Are
penalty?
those original ones?
Yes, these are the original ones. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. Check up.
This will not do. They have to reassign the policy
Your lordship,
because it has been assigned
All right.
in
Let
favor
me
of
hear.
LIC to bank.
Let me hear.
your lordship, my
Thing out of
learned
context
friend
to
is
do.
coming up with most unfair submission, and I have not sent any intimation to comply with your lordship's last direction. I had sent letter to the petitioner in his official address. The postal receipts as well as the article fact report is here with me.
Yes. Then what happened?
He has not submitted the discharge form and NEFT forms, anything. The petitioner has not submitted anything.
How will it do that?
The petitioner
not
cannot
supposed
do
to do
anything, but he
anything.
can come 10 years
I
later
don't
and
have
file a
any-
writ petition.
Saying,
I don't have
there
any-
must be some formalities. You cannot say you are not supposed to do anything and everything.
10
is
years
going
he's
to
waiting.
drop in your lap.
Formalities have not been intimated to me. Your lordship.
Communication has been made.
The communication.
2016.
2016. Don't open your mouth because you have not taken
course I
steps
will.
to
Of course I will.
return the policies.
What
And
steps will
penalties
I take?
imposed
I will go
upon
to
you.
his house and
Yes, you should do that.
whisper in his ears that you take
Yes.
your policy back.
Yes, you should do that.
I will
Not
whisper
return the policy.
these sorts of submissions. Firstly, files a
Okay,
writ petition
communication
against the
has
private
made
party.
to you by the LIC. You will not accept the communication and you will not
No,
do
we
the
have
needful.
accepted. It is not that we have accepted.
And then you do not do the needful what is required to be
Lordship
done.
has said in the order that the policies are either lying with the LIC or the bank.
Policies have been found out.
Now it is with the bank now. So now the bank is coming and saying after 10 hearings that the policies are with them. The bank
Yes.
should have intimated on the first occasion that they have
10
not
years
done.
will not
Otherwise,
the bank.
otherwise
All
it should
ownership
have been
on the
returned.
bank.
You have
Why
not
can't he
returned the
approach
policy.
civil court?
What are the formalities
You
to
have not
be done
returned the
now?
policy. You have to return the policy.
They have to send us they have to send us the requisite forms, the NEFT details, the KYC details. We'll do that. I sent the intimation to the bank also. Bank did not respond. They said we do not have the originals. In that case,
Original of what?
originals of the policies they have.
The policy they have with them.
Data says that I have to get the policies. I don't have the policy. The policies are lying with the bank.
See the letter, your lordship. আমাকে দিন ওটা।
Let me see the letter.
Policies are like, Lordship will kindly have a look. He is asking for the policies to be discharged by us. The policies are lying with the bank. The bank is at fault for not giving.
You should have communicated to the LIC that you do not have the policies.
Lordship,
you
that
tried-
is my writ petition. In the writ petition that is on record, I don't have the policy.
Sir, when there is a communication, you ought to have communicated.
It was not done, but in the writ petition, I have said that the policies are not lying. That's why I'm seeking the original
The
policies.
authority always doesn't go through the writ petition.
Your lordship, we needed a form of reassignment. We had sent the forms,
Lordship
allocated
will look
letter.
at- Your
They
Lord-
did not fill up the forms, they did not return, do anything. We had sent the requisite.
They are asking for the original policies which are not with them, that is on record in the writ petition.
My lord, kindly keep these originals with the record, my lord, and expunges be from the array of parties.
How can you be, how can it?
How can a mandamus be, if you can file a writ
Yes,
petition
private
against a private
Please.
petitioner?
Is not aware of the writ law.
This is the first matter in the list today.
So my learned friend is
So
submitting
do not
something.
raise the voice.
No, I am
No,
not.
no,
My learned
don't.
friend is saying that
Please don't.
writ of mandamus cannot be issued.
Please.
Not aware of the writ law. Public body discharging private,
Please.
discharging public duties.
Then let us argue on that.
We will lose that.
Acha.
I doubt.
The learned advocate representing the Life Insurance Corporation of India has produced before the court a communication made to the petitioner requiring certain formalities to be complied. For reassigning the LIC policies in favor of the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner is directed to comply the necessary formalities. Stop. The Standard Chartered Bank has filed a status report. The same is taken on record.
So this has been filed long back, not today.
This status report was
Yes,
long
filed
back.
long
Yes.
back.
I
Not-
let it remain. They were dorkaning status report. The learned advocate representing the Standard Chartered Bank submits that the 4 LIC policies in original are in the possession of the bank. Stop. The petitioner is required to comply certain formalities to take back the same.
My lord, there is no formality. The only formality was penalty. I can hand it over right here, right now.
Penalty.
My left can record it.
Formalities stated in
Penalty.
Yes,
formalities stated
500
in.
rupees per day.
All the 4 policies have been produced in court and the originals thereof has been handed over to the learned advocate for the petitioner who has received the same. Please give a receipt to them so
Yes,
that
you-
they can also keep it on their
Yes, yes.
records
Yes, yes. Here and-
upon proper acknowledgement. Stop. Next.
No, no, don't tell me.
And what about the title deeds?
Title deeds were never with us. It was never securitized.
My learned friend is saying something.
2016,
Not aware.
2016, my lord, it is.
1 minute.
I will show the record.
Oh, 1 minute. Madam, your submission was that the certified copies were applied for.
We have applied for. There's a letter. I sent it to Mr. Sudanil. The letter we applied, SRO had come back and sent us a letter saying that it is not in their records. So we've sent the communication to the petitioner's counsel directly, saying that the SRO cannot locate the title documents in their records. If you have any additional information regarding it, please let us know. We can again approach the SRO office. We have not received any response. There's a response saying that they've communicated to the petitioner and they haven't gotten back with any additional information.
My lord, the SRO says that there is no such title document at all. Mr. Banerjee is appearing. I don't want to make this submission. There is some foul play over here which is going on.
Now you.
The SRO is saying,
Right.
the registrar is saying that there is no such deed at all.
Let me clear the air now. What my learned friend is saying is completely dehorsed their own record. First complaint, police complaint filed by them in 1998. They said that the title deed has been misplaced from our own office record. So they admit that the title deed.
No, whose office record?
Their own
Bank.
office record, banks.
But then the registry office must be having it. They say that
Registry office,
registry
I
office
don't
doesn't
know
have it.
Registry office cannot provide. Your lordship will direct them to provide. The registry office will be directed. Your lordship kindly provide.
They'll
the copy of-
manufacture it or what?
Sorry, your lordship. No, I am saying what they are
The
saying. Is
registry office is going to manufacture documents.
not manufactured. It was there. Your lordship, how
It
will
was there means where?
IGR copy was with them, your lordship. The title.
Why will the IGR copy be there? The deed must be there. Why IGR?
Lordship will kindly see how the loan transaction happens. Once a sale deed is executed, if the property is mortgaged, the IGR copy is initially given after the registration is done. Now the IGR copy was taken by the bank. Now on production of the IGR, they will get the original title deed. That is the system. Now there is an IGR copies with the bank. There is an admission. Now the bank also says they have lodged a general diary saying that the original title deed was in their custody. That has been misplaced from their own record. Kindly take my writ petition once. What he is saying is completely dehodes the record.
Let me then file an affidavit, my lord.
Kindly take the writ petition. You cannot go beyond your own record. Kindly take page 36. They cannot, my learned friend cannot submit beyond
Yes.
the records. Page 36.
Right.
24th of April 2008. Kindly
Yes.
see. Officer in charge. The one deed of conveyance has been made in favor of Probir Kumar Das from Bonani Properties before the ADSR Shialda, IGR number such and such, missing from our office. Our bank has financed the entire property transacted. The Xerox copy of the IGR is missing and annexed with your kind perusal. Your lordship will see the IGR at page 37, the next page.
No, the copy of the IGR is missing. Why will the deed be missing from the office of the registry?
Office of the IGR, they have to collect the deed. That they have not done. Now,
The deed will still be there
One second, kindly.
if it
take
is
that
not
report.
collected.
Kindly take the report now, which my learned friend has just now placed. Paragraph 3. They say that the title deed was with them, it has been misplaced. This is said on oath.
No, it's not. Misplaced is not the word used.
Kindly take paragraph 3, page 4 of the report. And I will also show the loan transaction, which says that mortgage of the property by depositing title is a mandatory requirement.
Page 4.
Page 4,
Page
para 3, your lordship, this
Yes.
respond number 2 has been the lender in respect of housing loan availed by the petitioner for the purchase of residential property. The loan in question was granted for a sum of rupees such and such, and the original index register of the registered deed of conveyance executed by the developer of the property in favor of the petitioner was handed over to the bank. The IGR bearing such and such dated 27 February 97 was taken by the bank for purpose of obtaining the original title deed from the concerned registry office of the additional registrar Shialda. The IGR was retained by the bank as a security for housing loan, and the original title deed of the property was to be produced before the concerned registry office and was intended to be kept with the bank. Now your lordship will take paragraph 10. That with respect to the original title deeds of the property, the bank is unable to locate the same. As a remedial measure, the bank shall at its own cost approach the registry office to intimate the necessary steps for issuance of fresh document in the petitioner's house. Now, your lordship, this is the admission that this IGR was lying with them and they have to produce this for getting the original title deed. Now, your lordship will kindly come to the loan transaction. They have only disclosed that. Kindly take.
Please find out what is the,
My lord.
go through the papers once.
My lord, we have informed
Kindly
them.
take your
We've
lordship.
asked them to come back with additional information regarding the documents. We'll submit it
How do
again with the SRO office. If they
My lord,
get-
may I just
We don't
give
have
us
the
solution
IGR
to
copy
this?
as well.
Let the registrar be added as a party, my lord. Let the registrar come and say what is the
Loan
status of this
transaction
deed.
says property was mortgaged.
Uh,
Their own
Very well,
property.
very well. The deed will have to be
Release
there in the
matter-
registrar's
no,
office at
As
least.
regards the
If it
title
is not-
deeds of the
If
property,
it is not
comma,
We don't have
Taken.
any information.
the bank shall take steps to obtain the certified copy of the same. Stop. Release the matter for further consideration.
My lords, we have already taken steps. They have to come back with additional information because
11th of August.
11.
my lord. Dada,
My lord,
The additional information as regards the title deeds, comma, if any, comma, by the petitioner may be communicated to the bank.
My lord,
Lordship, only one thing, your lordship, we don't have any other communication. Why I say so, no information, because the IGR copy was with the bank. We don't have the original. So that's why
Photocopy you have, photocopy is there.
The photocopy is not there, your lordship. The original title deed was never obtained by the bank.
Let
is
us
what
see
the
what
bank
can
is
be done.
my lord,
Next.
my lord,
Lordship, photocopy we don't have.
my lord has kept it on 11th. My lord, can it, my lord keeps it on 6th. My lord, I won't be available from 8th to 24th.
Very well, 6th.
I'll take instructions.
Yes, 6th.
Don't want to delay it.
But I'm very
Grateful.